By the end of this video, you will know how to delete uploaded documents in TurboTax. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening the tax return where the document was uploaded. Once the return is open, look to the left-hand navigation menu and select Documents. This area shows the files that have been added to your return, including any forms or supporting records you uploaded earlier. In the Documents list, locate the file you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm that you are looking at the correct document before deleting it, especially if there are several files with similar names or dates. When you find the one you want, move to the right side of that document entry and click the three-dot More menu. A small menu will open with available actions for that file. Choose Delete. TurboTax will then ask you to confirm that you want to remove the document. Read the prompt, then confirm the deletion to continue. After that, wait briefly while TurboTax processes the request. You should see the document disappear from the uploaded documents list, which confirms that it has been deleted. If the document you removed was previously used to autofill part of your tax return, there is one more thing to check. Go to the Related section of your return and review the imported information tied to that file. Deleting the uploaded document does not always remove information that was already pulled into the return, so look through the entries connected to that form or record. Remove any information that should no longer be there, or update it if you are replacing the document with a corrected version. If you do need to use a corrected file, upload the replacement document after removing the original one. This keeps your documents list current and helps make sure you are working from the right version. Once the replacement is in place, return to the relevant section of your tax return and confirm that the information shown matches the new document. From there, continue preparing your return as usual. Review the details in each section that may have been affected by the deleted document and make sure everything is current before you move on to filing. This final check is useful anytime a document has been removed and replaced, since imported values can affect more than one part of the return. Your selected uploaded document has now been deleted from TurboTax.